Hey, I am Ajit, and on this channel, I take interview of web development candidate to help other to prepare and grow. If you would like me to take your personal interview, feel free to fill out the form or email me directly. Link are in the description. Also, if you are interested in my personal web development note that I personally use and update weekly, you can buy or download them using the link below. Want them for free? Just give an interview, then I will share the full access to you. In these notes, you will get 500 plus questions of full stack developer with proper explanation and very accurate answer, which will help you to crack any interview. With 12-week proper front-end developer roadmap and company list. Also, I have attached DSA questions for front-end developer, how much DSA you will need if you are aiming for high package. These all things are in one single notes, and the best part is that I am updating these notes regularly, so you will always up to date.
My name is Om Prakash and I am from Pulvendula, Andhra Pradesh. After graduating from Loyola Degree College in 2022, so I joined CCB program at NIST like to gain practical knowledge in front end and full stack skills. So in that, I have built several projects during the curriculum of the course. After that, I have built several projects on my own, such as my personal portfolio and note taking manager and several projects. After that, I got uh, placed. I got internship. I got chance internship at the 𝐷HX, where I have worked on the vehicle inspection app. So in that during the internship, I gained more knowledge in 𝐍𝐸, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and Redux. So that's all about me.
Okay, so Om Prakash, can you open your camera?
Okay. But actually, there is two problems. One is the network is little low, and in my area, the power is set down from the like almost 10 or 11. So maybe the charging is not sufficient. I'm thinking.
Okay, but it's better if you open your camera. Na?
Okay, let me. Is it visible now? Like I have turned it on the camera.
I can't see you yet.
One second, maybe. I don't know. Maybe it was issue with the network.
Yeah. It's visual now.
Okay, let me change the background filter. I'm also sitting outside due to the network issue. So
Yeah. I can see that.
let me
There's no problem in the
it's
background. Okay,
taking little time.
the background is nice. Okay, no problem. Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. So, you have built project. Okay,
Yes.
you have built project and you have done internship.
Yes.
What you have built in internship? What you have did?
Uh, so basically, I worked on the vehicle inspection app where the flow of the project is the customer can create order to their vehicle inspection, and then inspector will onboard. I mean, with the website. Then after that, they will see the list of. I mean, after onboarding, they will see jobs list of jobs. So they will they will take up jobs and complete the inspection. This is the complete flow of the the project. But mostly I worked on the creating the front end components like using the Node.js and Tailwind CSS. After that, I have integrated backend APIs to the existing code base. So before that, previous intents are worked with. So I have worked on the creating websites user interfaces from the based on Figma, and then integrating backend APIs, and also uh, one flow I have worked completely. That is the vehicle inspection flow. Like after inspector will clicking the schedule job, so he can go to the certain flow of the inspect the vehicle, like checking images, taking images, uploading the details, that kind of flow. Like I have used Redux to manage that state.
Okay. So what is React and why we need React?
Basically, React is a JavaScript library, like it is open source JavaScript library to build user interfaces, especially like build the user interfaces. So mainly for single page applications, and it has some like features like JSX, virtual DOM, component based architecture, one way data flow. So
So
this makes it,
Om Prakash, what is the difference between virtual DOM and the real DOM? Like React using virtual DOM, right? So
yes,
what is the difference between
yes.
them?
Uh, So virtual DOM is mainly like virtual DOM is the copy of the real DOM only. So whenever there is changes in the state or prop, the new virtual DOM is created. So then it will compare the changes in the older version of virtual DOM. So that changes only updated in the real DOM. So this makes React application like it improves the performance. Uh, like working with real DOM, it little bit like it is slow. That's why virtual makes faster updates.
Okay. And okay. So what is the difference between props and state?
State is the like internal part of the component to man and store and manage the data of its component. Whereas props are properties to pass to the parent component to child component. Like props can be passed only from parent component to child component only. So props are immutable. State is mutable, which can be modified using the update method.
Okay. And we have React key. So why are they important?
Mm. React keys are used in list tests, like it helps to the identify which item is modified or changed, added. So this helps to the React to update only that keys. Like it also improves the performance, like kind of.
Okay.
Mainly purpose is like identify the items which is added, modified, deleted.
Okay. So do you know what is high order function?
A higher order function. I okay. Higher order function is like uh, it takes another functions as an argument and returns those functions with additional values.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
but
So
example wise, I am not able to recall.
yeah, let's see. There is some predefined high order function which is map, filter, and reduce. Do you know about them?
Yes, yes, I know.
Tell me the difference between them. Map, filter, and reduce.
Okay. Basically, map returns a new array, so it goes to the each element by specified condition and returns a new array. Uh, whereas filter also returns a new array, but it returns only it filters out the elements based on the condition. Uh, Reduce method used to like when we got to get the single value or mainly to get the single value, like for example like addition the all the values in the list. uh, like for example for the filter we can filter out the elements by specified condition.
Okay. And reduce? Reducer.
Reduce is like as I said, it is it has some accumulator and current value, something like property. Then we can sum up those values, like can we can get single value from the array, something.
Okay. And do you know what is React hook? And how many React hook are there?
Yes. So React hooks are introduced in like in functional comp, like it is the latest version of mainly React hooks used in functional components only to replace the state and lifecycle methods that we use in the classic components. uh, some of the like react hooks are like functions. They are the examples of react hooks are use state to manage the state of the component, and also use effect to manage the side effects of the use effect like fetching data, working with set and set timeout method, and cleanup functions, and use context to like it is a it the hook helps to manage the context globally. So mostly I have worked on these hooks, but I know basic about the use memo and use callback, and like use memo will calculate the memorize the values between the function re-renders, whereas use callback cache the data of the function itself. So it's only I can able to I know so far.
Okay, so what is the difference between class component and the function component?
I'm sorry, can you repeat, like your voice is broken.
Yeah, I'm telling you, what is the difference between class component and the function component?
Okay. Class components are components to write, like it is the older way to write components. After introduction with the React 16.9 version of the hooks are introduced in that version. So in functional components, they are like like regular functions to write components. They use hooks to replace the lifecycle and state with alpha React hooks.
Okay. Om Prakash, can you please share your screen and open any online compiler JavaScript?
Okay. Okay. Is it visible like
Yeah,
clearly?
yeah, it's visible. So do one thing, create two array, okay? In, inside that, put any
Okay.
random value, okay?
I mean, two arrays.
Yeah, create two array and put them any random number, 1, 2, 5, 11, 15, and that random.
Okay, one, two. Okay.
Yeah.
Array two. The values can be same or like,
No.
different.
You can do anything. Same number, like put 3, 9, 5, 11, 15. Yeah.
Okay. I have put random values.
Yeah, okay. So now I want to add these two array, okay? ठीक है? Add these two array and
Like I want. Sorry, could you repeat?
yeah, I want you to do one operation, okay, where I want add these two array
Okay.
and perform sorting, okay. S-
Okay. So I want to combine these two arrays into single array, right?
yeah, combine them into single array,
Then perform the
then
sorting.
sorting, and then also remove duplicate number.
I'm sorry. I think my due to my internet issue, your voice is breaking.
Do one thing, uh, turn off your camera,
Okay.
okay. Now,
Okay.
yeah, now listen, you need to do three things, okay. First, combine these two array, okay. Second one, do sorting. Third one is remove duplicate, okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Understood. So I want to combine two arrays into single, then remove the duplicates and sorting.
yeah.
Okay. Understood.
Make sure you use simplest way, yeah? Okay.
Sorry.
Make sure you use only simplest way. Use minimum code. Okay.
Okay, okay. Uh, okay.
You can use any JavaScript predefined function. Okay.
Okay, I'll use predefined methods, inbuilt methods.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have combined this array. Then I have to sort this array. Single. Okay, I'll start this array from B. Then EMS. Then it will sort out the order. Now I have to remove the duplicate. So one thing I can remember is using the set method. Uh, set array new, then sort array. Mm, okay, can I? Okay, let me cancel all this. Set. Can I log this? Can I run this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There is comma. Think syntax mistake here. Sort array. New sort array. Hmm. Okay, I forgot the set keyword. Okay, it is not expected output. Okay, let me do this one. Okay, it is not working. Okay, let me cancel this one. Uh, sort array. Okay, we are getting sorted array. Okay, here one thing is okay. My mistake. Here I have combined it single array two times. That's why it is error. Okay, this time it will work. Okay, we got the sorted and combined without duplicate array.
Okay. That's great. Okay. So I have sent one question in chat. Okay.
Okay.
Do you know what is object?
Yes, object is like key value pairs. Like
Okay.
it keys as the unique value in the object.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Uh, I want to. I mean the tell you the expected output, right, for
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
Okay, we have empty object. Const equal to key A. Okay, const equal to key B. Object E equal to 1. Okay, we have A on the object. Initial object B. Okay, this will print uh, like this. Uh, A equal to 1, B equal to 2. This will print A equal to 1. Okay, I'm thinking uh, this will be print. So can I run this one?
Are you sure? They are correct answer.
So let me check the again. We have A and B. We are assigning A here.
Okay, run the code.
Okay. Okay. Object.
Do you know why this is the answer?
Object. Uh, I think I'm not can't able to tell you the complete thing, but I am thinking we are assigning object in the place of key, uh, and we are doing same here. Mm, I can think about we are assigning object into the keys. That's much only I can able to think.
Okay. I have sent the another question. Okay. Try to solve this one.
Okay. Okay, we have array with the numbers and copy equal to array. We are spreading the array. Okay. We are then modifying the copy array. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. Uh, okay. In first console log, this will be printed. In second console log, uh, 0 equal to 19. Okay. Okay. The this will be printed in the console log.
Okay. Run the code.
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah. Same output.
Okay. That's great. Okay. So I have sent one more question. Okay.
Okay. Okay. We have promise resolve in console log promise set timeout synchronous. Okay. Okay. First will be synchronous will be printed because it is a synchronous code. So it will
Okay.
be first synchronous will be printed. Then we have promise. So it will go to the micro task queue. In that, uh, so there we in that the micro task will be executed. Then we have promise one. Okay, let me write it better. Sorry. Okay, first it will be printed. Then promise one will be printed. So because after executing micro task, so we have console log. So it will be printed. Then we have set timeout. It goes to the callback queue. So uh, then in the last we get this console log. Compared to callback queue, micro task queue is the like uh, what I mean like over preference. Like can I run this one?
So according to you, first synchronous, then promise one, फिर set time out in promise, right?
Yes.
Are you sure they are the correct answer?
Yeah, yes, sure. Because this is the I mean the event loop concept. The first synchronous code will be run. Then we have set timeout and promise. So promise goes to the micro task queue. Set timeout will goes to the callback queue. Promise micro task queue is the over like high preference compared to callback queue.
Okay, run the code.
Should I run?
Yeah, run.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, I have sent one more question. Okay, hello, Om Prakash.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Am I audible?
yeah. You are audible.
Okay. Okay. We have promises all and okay. I'm not sure about this kind of concept. Like I know the dot then and dot catch method, but we have we are giving the one, but I don't know what this can do. But I can able to think of it like uh, console log value. I think this is one is the I'm thinking one is the value after the dot then. If I able to think, let me write it for the okay value is the one. So here one will be printed and we are returning the val plus one.
Okay.
Okay, then it will be two and the two will be passed to again to this dot then. In that case, it will be print two. Uh, Sorry, here I think there is mistake. We there is only console dot log.
What is?
Here, if you can see, this is only console log. There no value. There is no value to print.
Ah, okay. But this is a correct answer. This is the correct question. Okay, you got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, okay. This line, I don't know. This will throw or error, or it can be empty only. I was able to think.
Okay, just try to do it. Okay.
Can I run this one? Like,
Yeah, you can try.
let me. Okay. Okay. We have one, two,
And four.
four.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Understood. Okay. I got it. Because we are returning the val into. So in that case, we have two into two. These are four. But I assumed because usually console not log like this, right? We can input that value something, but there is no expression here. That's why I think
Yeah.
error or
Yeah.
empty.
We can do like this also. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. So
okay, I'll
let me.
check out later.
Okay. Let's do one thing. Create a array. Okay. uh,
Okay,
Array of number, any random number, and I want you to print the second largest number. Okay.
okay. So we have to print the second largest number in the array.
Yeah.
Can I use inbuilt method or without inbuilt method?
First do inbuilt by using inbuilt method. Okay, then I will see.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. I'll use sort method. Sorry. then sort SP. Okay, this will sort the array. Then we can just print the first value. Uh, Sorry. Okay, I need to comment this code. This one also. Sorry. Okay, understood. Uh, Let me change the expression here.
Okay,
Okay, we got 665. So it is the largest number.
but this is our largest number, right? I want second largest number.
Yes. Oh, sorry. You said second largest number. In that case, we can simply,
Okay,
yeah, this is the second largest number.
okay. So what if I don't want to use sort in will method? So then how you do?
Okay, so I can use function for that, like taking the for loop and like changing the value something. Can I do that if you
Yeah, yeah.
want?
Do it.
Okay, can taking function second largest. Okay, okay. Then we can take one empty array. Then we can do spread these elements. Now I take for loop for that. Let I equals I is less than empty array dot length. Okay. Uh, okay, I need to take one more variable for second largest, second max. Mm, okay, I think I need to take one more for the first max. This will be okay. We are assigning giving the first value, and this will be empty for now. Let us assign 0 as a empty value. Okay, now okay, we need to compare first values like values in the array. Okay, let me if empty array I is greater than first max, then assign array I. Then second max will be comes to the first number. We
Okay.
assign. Okay, sorry, I need to do this before assigning this value. Then only it will be assigned correctly. Then if it is not, mm, okay, if in that case, uh, second max equal to okay, first max equal to array okay, I'm not able to recall the expression here. There is some simple logic I was thinking, but for now, I'll go with my flow.
Okay.
Return second max. Okay, let me call this function. Okay, let me console log. Okay, okay, I went wrong name. Okay, sorry, my bad. I'm assigning constant variable, which is not correct.
Yeah.
Let me change to the let. Okay, we got first largest number. Okay, uh, okay, let me try. I don't getting the logic here. Oh, it is not correct. Mm, okay, okay, we are doing this correctly. If it is not, until I is greater than first max. Okay, let me change to the else if condition. Mm, okay, if first first max is greater than second max, then if it is greater than second max, so second max is the first max. Oh, I think the expression is here I given only first,
Yeah.
but that variable is not exist.
Okay, Om Prakash. For now, leave this. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, no problem. Okay. So just tell me how to improve our React application performance. Like sometime we creating any React application and our application got very slow, right?
Yes.
So
Uh,
how to improve that?
okay, there are several ways to improve the performance of React application. One is the uh, like one is the lazy loading. Like we can use lazy loading for to load the images and also like components. So it improves the performance initially to lose to the improves the performance to also helps the user to experience more. And also one is the code splitting. So the refactoring the code. I mean the writing the abstractions, writing the reusable codes. So this makes the improves the performance. And also removing the unused code. uh, and also
Okay, so we have something like pagination, right?
yes,
Yeah.
pagination.
So we have pagination. In that we what did like we have 10 product in our first page. Okay, 10 product in our second page,
Yes.
and so on, right?
Yes, yes,
Let's suppose I
yes.
don't want to add pagination. I just want if user come on the page initially they can see only 10, okay, 10 product. When they start scrolling, my other product was start loading. Understood?
Yes, yes, understand. Yeah, I got the concept. Basically, this is the infinite scrolling.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
the
So
infinite scrolling,
how can we do that?
how can you implement that? You are asking.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, Practically, I haven't implemented that, but I can say the approach or the way usually initially we can display the 10 pages, something like 10 things in the page default. When we scroll, like when we move to that scroll, we can write logic to like whenever there is a, so usually we have certain width of the page, right? So when we scroll to the scroll, we can, the function will be triggered. uh, so then we can fetch another another API. So this way we can implement infinite scrolling.
Okay. So what is control and uncontrolled component?
Okay. Control components basically controlled by the form, like I mean, controlled by the state of the component itself. Whereas uncontrolled components will not controlled by the state of the component. So it will be controlled by the browser. I think browser uh, by default.
Okay. Okay. So what is hosting in JavaScript?
Okay, hosting is a JavaScript mechanism, where we can access variables and function declarations before they are declared, which means they will be moved to the top of their scope before they are declared. So, it allows to use that variables and function declarations before they are declared. For examples, only where will support hosting and function declarations will be hosted. So, for example, if we access uh, var variable before it is declared, we can get undefined as a value because it's about hosting. But if we do with let and const, we can get reference error because they are they are hosted, but they are in the temporal dead zone. That's why we cannot accept that variables. We can get reference error. Only function declarations are completely hosted, so not function expressions. This is the concept of hosting in JavaScript.
Okay. And what is currying in JavaScript?
Okay. Currying is the technique, technique that basically when we don't know how many the arguments passed to the function, uh,
Okay.
so we can the currying function. Each function will take a one. Uh, I mean, sorry, what take prop parameter something like not able to get the correct word. Uh, it is para argument and properties. I'm sorry, I was not remember the word. So each function will take one. Uh, Sorry, okay, parameter. It will take each parameter. Then it will returns the function. Like for every argument, it will take. It will returns uh, each function. Like new function is created, that it will return that value to the next function until value is uh, stop. Like
Okay. Okay. I understood. Okay. So what is difference between shallow copy and the deep copy?
okay, so this is okay. Shallow copy means it is the cof. It takes the copy of the original array.
Yeah, correct.
When we modify the shallow copy, it also modifies the original array. So this is the shallow copy, but deep copy it will just clone or it just copy of the original array, but it will not modify the original array if we change values in the deep copy. So this is the difference.
Okay. So, Om Prakash, tell me, how can we manage our API? How can we fetch our API and how to manage that?
Okay, there is two ways to fetch and manage the API. First one is to fetch. There is two methods. One is the fetch method. It is the inbuilt method, and there is Axios. It is the library to work with the APIs. Uh, but we can use try and catch blocks to work with APIs. So it helps to the manage the error boundaries. So uh, like usually we use any method like to fetch our Axios. Uh, so after that we can getting the data. In fetch method we have to manually pass that data. I mean to the JSON object. Then only we can store that value. We can store in the state. Whereas Axios by default it will pass the JSON object by default. So this way we can manage and fetch the APIs.
Okay.
And
That's
also we have to use asynchronous and await keywords for this like functionality.
okay. That's great.